video, we are going to find the sum of a sequence. So let's start out by putting our TI-84 into sequence mode. So we know to go mode, down arrow to the function row, and then right arrow over to sequence and push enter to get that highlighted. So now I am in sequence mode. Now, to do the sum of a sequence, we're going to consider the sequence as a list. So what you have to do is you have to find the sum function, which is located under the list menu, which is the blue word above stat. So I go second list. So here you see my lists, and I'm going to go over to the math menu. So I'm going to right arrow over to the math menu, and there you see for number 5 is sum. So you can either push 5 or down arrow to sum and push enter. So now I have the start of my calculating a sum. The next step is I have to define that I'm going to be summing a sequence. So I go back to that list menu, so that's second stat. But this time I'm going to look under ops. And again, if you look at number 5, there it is, sequence. So I'm going to down arrow to 5 or enter 5 and then push enter. Okay, so now I'm taking the sum of a sequence. So this is where I enter 2 raised to the n minus 1. Okay, so I get 2 up arrow. Because I put my calculator in sequence mode, I need to put an open paren so that I get the entire exponent. So I can use my xt theta n button. So I push that, and it automatically puts in my n for me. So now my sequence is 2 to the n minus 1, so I go minus 1 close paren. That is my form for each term. Now I have to put in my variable, my start number, my stop number, and my increment value. So my variable is n, and I can use that xt theta n button. Then I put comma. I'm starting at 1. So I put in 1. Next, my stop, I'm stopping at 4. And I'm incrementing by 1. I need 2 parentheses to close out my 2 open parentheses. And hit enter, and we get 15. So that is the method you use to find the sum of a sequence